Hi friends, my name is Davinder Singh and today I came with a new video which will tell us how to increase space if your system is on the VMware. So now on the back end VMware I have already increased my disk. So if you come here, I'm on the Linux system where I want to increase my root file system which is running on the LVM. So I will start with Fdisk command. My system is little slow, so don't worry about that. So it is showing 23 GB here. So you can see here 23 GB SDA1, SDA2, and already LVM is created 4 GB and swap is 8 GB. Very bad configuration. Definitely it's not realistic. But now I want to increase this 4 GB your root file system with increase little more, at least 10 GB. So how I can do that and what is the possible ways? I directly can't increase this root file system because it is on LVM. So now let's go on the LVM LV display. So if you go here and see, there is two logical volume here. One is swap, one is root. So root is the 3.70 GB and currently 946. And any other things which I want to show you? Nothing. Everything is working fine. Our LVS status is available. Here is 7.81 GB. So now come on the VG display. In the VG display you can see here how much PE size parameter somewhere 1 PE size is showing. Total PE is 2946 and total space is 11.51 GB and free PE per size nothing is free. So what is, firstly now we have to go to the physical volume display. So if you come here, it is showing only 11 GB. It means we don't have any physical volume, which any space in physical volume. There is only SDA2. So that is already 11 GB, which we already used in our volume group, wall group. And now there is no space to increase. So what is the steps to increase? In the VMware, I have already increased my SDA disk. So what is the ways? Fdisk /dev/SDA. So that is the disk which I have increased. If I come here and press P, it will show only SDA1, SDA2. One is by boot and 2 is using for LVM. So now if what I have to do, I have to go with the new disk, and you can go with extended and primary. I'm going for the primary because it's already 2. Now I'm pressing 3, SDA3, it should come. See here, once we have added into the background, so there is increased in space. It is showing first cylinder and last cylinder default is 1567. It means earlier before increasing the space on my virtual machine from VMware, it was the last was the 1566. Now it is starting from 1567. I'm just pressing, and after that you can just give the space how much you want, or I'm just press enter because I want the complete space. So now if I press P, so you will see one more partition will came here. Got it? SDA3. So now this partition I can increase into the current disk. How it is? So firstly, before that one I have to change it because this is 8E ID and Linux LVM. This is 83 and Linux. So I have to firstly change this one. So come on the 3 toggle. Yes, now you can see the code. If I press L, it will show me all the codes which are available. So how you can now identify it is very simple, on the which very frequently used in Linux. So you can see that one. Firstly, 8E, see 83 is Linux by default, ext3. And if you want to see others which people using very frequently, 80, where is 80, 1 2 3, yes, Linux LVM 80. So we have to use right now this one 80. So I'm pressing 8E. Okay, enter. So now if I click on the P, so you can see this one also is now ready for the LVM. Now I have to just press W to write the file system. But once I W also, it will not show into df-th. If you see here, right, it is so I just mode probe. 1 second. Let's try mode probe -a. No, it's not coming. Module, it is, oh, sorry for module names. Really sorry. Sorry friends, the command is already there, part probe. So you can run this one. It will okay, in this system part probe command is not there. Next boot after you run part probe or kpart, or after you run part probe. So part probe command is not there. So what I can do, okay, I will not do anything, or just in my LVS, okay, if you don't know, you can give the LVS command also, LV display, and little information it will also provide to you. VG display or PVS also command is there. So now what is my Fdisk -L. So there is one more disk dev /sd. What I will do, I will just add into my current PV add PV create command /dev /sda3. Right, don't give here wrong anything, because it will corrupt your whole data. Yes, so SD is not found, ignored by filtering. It means it is not getting by the kernel. So part probe I have to run, or I have to restart the machine. So let me try which thing I can do. Just now just install the part probe package. So it was the parted part probe, so which will tell to kernel which part probe. I just want to tell you which package I have installed has been part probe. So you can rpm-qf. So this package I have installed for this particular command, part probe. So if you run this command, warning, the kernel failed to read write partition /f is busy. As a result, it will reflect all the changes after reboot, unable to open sr0. So okay, so what I can do right now, if I run df-th, it is not showing anything. Here only mounted file system will come, which is not right now required. Let me try the same thing. Let me try one more command here, partex /dev sda3. No such file or directory. Disk -l dev /sda3. No such file or directory. So it is still not coming. So it is not working with the parted also, with partex also, or part probe also. So what I will do, the last method is just rebooting the machine. So I'm just rebooting the machine, and after that it will should come. Let me try with the reboot. If you will see, gone. So it okay, so my system will take another couple of minutes to reboot. I'm just pausing this video, and after that I will just show you how it will, we can create the next step and extend our LVM. Thank you. I've just rebooted the machine, and now we can see if we can yes, uptime, yes, 3 minutes. Fdisk -l, it is showing sda3 with the 80. Right, now we can use pv create /dev sda3. Yes, it's successfully created. Now it is because our kernel can now see this particular disk dev sda3. So now it is extended into Now we can see the our volume group VGS. So there is only one. So now we have to extend this volume group also. How we can extend? So now firstly LPV display. So earlier only one disk was there, so now one more disk is there, 9.99 GB. So what we have to do, we have to extend this disk in volume group. So VG display, it is showing 11.51. So what we have to do, we have to VG extend. So VG extend. So VG extend up to what and for which volume group? Volume group name is vol group. So VG extend /dev SDA3 and vol group name is this one. Let's see, s/dev SDA3 is not found. Okay, right, because I have given syntax wrong. So the dev SDA should be in the last. So firstly the name and then the new added disk. So now two things done. So VG display here. So VG display here showing now 21 GB. So it's great now from 11.51 to is there. So free is 9.99 GB is free. So what we can do, we can add at least 6 GB disk or also. So see the LV display. So in which LVM we want to extend. So I will extend this volume. There is a command to extend complete disk with LV extend -L plus 100% free, whatever the free. Sorry, this is my test another machine. So we have to give the complete name of this volume group and let's see what happened. So it's done. So now if you see LV display, now the older size was showing 3.7 GB. Here it should be increased now LV display, and it is showing now 13.68 GB. So it means it's all extended now. So if you see DAF-T8, still it is showing older one. Yes, it is still showing the older size. So still we have increased LVM, but we didn't tell to kernel it is increased. So there is command resize to fs / right. So you can, rather than give to only /, you can give the complete group name, so which will be extended /dev mapper. Let's try. Yes, it should. So it is taking performing online resize. Yes. So let's see, it is worked. Yes, we're done. So now it's done. 15 GB, it's came on this one. Thanks everyone, thanks a lot. If you have any question, please come back on YouTube. Thanks a lot, friends.